Diwali is India's annual festival of lights, celebrating the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. This 5-day festival, which falls in October or November, involves cleaning and decorating homes with oil lamps, diyas, candles, and colorful rangoli designs. Hello guys, hope you all are doing great during this festival time. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. May the diyas light lead you onto the road of growth and prosperity. Without further delay, let's get started this beautiful Diwali decoration vlog. On the very first day of Diwali, firstly my husband hanged a mango leaves bandanwar on the temple door. It's a festive door hanging that signifies prosperity, good fortune. It is believed to ward off negative energy and evil spirits, attract positive vibrations, and bring good luck and well-being. On Treyodashi or Dhanteras, the very first day of Diwali, we worship Kuber Ji, the protector of wealth, to welcome wealth, and Dhanbantari Ji, the god of medicine for health, along with Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi. We do auspicious God stoppin for welcoming all gods and goddess. On this day, people also purchase gold, silver, and new utensils, sweeps on this day, believing it brings good luck and prosperity. Here I am decorating the wall of the entrance with candle holder hangings, floral and ashoka leaves hangings, lights, subh labh hangings, etc. Shubh labh is a Hindi phrase meaning auspicious gain, or good fortune and profit. In Hindu mythology, Shubh and Labh are considered to be the sons of Lord Ganesha. This one I had made with moldy clay, burrata, crackling paste on canvas, and completed it with flower, strings, wooden rings last year for Diwali Decor. The name, Ashoka, itself means, without sorrow, in Sanskrit, giving it a symbolic meaning of removing sadness. Ashoka leaves also considered auspicious to hang in front of main gate to bring prosperity. In the evening of Dhanteras, I have placed the Yam Deepak outside the home, facing south, Yama's direction, to appease Lord Yama for protection. The significance of Yam Deep is to seek protection from untimely death and bring longevity and well-being to the family. Here my younger son is lighting 14 diyas on the next day evening of Diwali, which is called Boot Chaturdosi or Choti Diwali. Chaturdashi Diya means 14 diyas, and refers to the tradition of lighting 14 lamps on Narak Chaturdashi. This ritual has several meanings. It wards off evil, honors ancestors, symbolizes the dispelling of darkness, and seeks prosperity for the household. The practice is also called Boot Chaturdashi in some regions. This day of 14 lamps is linked to appeasing spirits. As you know, whoever following my vlogs, in each festivities I used to keep the theme on my table area. So like every time, this time also I am busy assembling the Diwali theme on the table. Fresh flower bouquet always is my first favorite choice. Most of the items which are used in this decoration are my own handmade products, and which are bought from Amazon. I will share the links of the items in description box. We all love to purchase new things for Diwali. I purchased some brass urli, candle stand, flower vases, artificial hanging, subh labh hangings, candles, lights and diyas. I am satisfied with all the items which I have bought from Amazon. We should help our local sellers by purchasing clay diyas, pots from them. Look how lovely the jarbera flowers are. Everyone enjoys the beauty of the flowers. This item is called kula, sticking them one by one vertically. This time I don't get much time to create any Diwali decorative items, so I'm reusing all my last year handmade things. Here's the auspicious canvas resin wall hanging of mine, which I have kept very carefully in center position of the area, as I have to timely complete some handmade items for my customers. So I skipped doing things for my decor. Next year I will must do for myself. Who does not love the sweet fragrances of the Rajanigadha? Early decoration with flowers signifies prosperity, harmony, and positive energy, especially when filled with water. It is rooted in South Indian tradition and is used to welcome guests and create a serene ambiance, with water symbolizing purity and flowers representing hope and auspiciousness. The arrangement can be placed at entrances to protect from negativity and in living areas to bring peace. Urlis filled with water, flowers, lighted floating candles are believed to attract good fortune and financial stability. During festivals like Diwali, they symbolize the arrival of the goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. The water element in an urli represents purity and natural balance. Floating flowers, particularly those like lotus, are a symbol of purity and divine light. Adding floating candles for a beautiful, flickering effect. We can enhance the look with other elements like small pebbles or fresh green leaves. These bottom roses are so cute and the color is so attractive that I fall in love with. It stays fresh for a long time, at least 2 to 3 days. Rangoli is important for its cultural and spiritual significance, symbolizing good luck, prosperity, and welcome while warding off evil. It is created to welcome deities like Goddess Lakshmi, celebrate festivals such as Diwali, and serve as an auspicious welcome for guests. Beyond its decorative purpose, Rangoli holds deep symbolism, with its patterns representing universal energies and the use of perishable materials symbolizing life's transience. Hear my elder son trying to write Happy Diwali with colors. I prefer to let them do things by their own, to enhance their thought process. Yes, he had done it patiently. But I was not satisfied with my own Rangoli. I was thinking something different, but outcome was something not just satisfying because of color combinations. Maybe I was in hurry. But next time I will must put efforts and time on Rangoli making. This is final look. By watching both of us, my younger son also showing interest to make Rangoli, so I have given him a table corner in the balcony to explore his creativity. He had his own ideas and made all types of crackers, bomb, pataka, sparkers, spinners, lamps, etc. With colors. I was like, wow, this is nice. He got satisfied. Here I am making fresh flower petals Rangoli outside the main door for welcoming Goddess Lakshmi. Last year I had made the white alpona design, which has not faded at all. So this time my work was little effortless and time-saving. I have made this petals Rangoli also in hurry, as I have to start Lakshmi Pujan at Subh Muhurat, so I don't get much time to enhance it my way with much perfection. How lovely this each and every flower is. I feel like I just keep staring at them for a long time. But I can't waste time as there is no much time in my hand. I have to finish it fast. These are my own handmade resin candle holders, which were kept carefully in a box. Both of them happily placing it all on the Rangoli. It's quite satisfying watching them doing such things with joyful mind. What is Diwali? I'm trying to explain it. So, Diwali, also known as Deepavali, a row of lamps, is one of the most fervently celebrated festivals of India. Diwali is often called the Festival of Lights and is celebrated by lighting lamps and bursting crackers and fireworks. It is a festival which commemorates the victorious return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after saving his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana. This religious festival represents the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness. People all over India celebrate Diwali by lighting earthen oil lamps and decorating their houses with lights of different colors and sizes. All these lights transform streets across India into a mesmerizing sight to behold. Kids celebrate the occasion by bursting crackers and different fireworks like sparklers, rockets, flower pots, fountains, peony fireworks, etc. Diwali falls on the 20th day after the festival of Dussehra, usually in October or November every year. Families and friends visit each other, exchange gifts, and share delicious food to celebrate the occasion. Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is also worshipped on the occasion. In recent years, the use of crackers and fireworks has come down dramatically as it contributes to air pollution and noise pollution, especially in cities where you hear a cracker bursting every other second. There are also safety issues concerning the use of fireworks, especially by children. Let us celebrate this festival of lights with more care and responsibility. Before some days of Diwali, homes are cleaned. Decluttering is going on in each houses so that we can make space for the new things to come in. We celebrated this festival by decorating our homes with diyas, oil lamps, candles, lights, and colorful Rangoli patterns. People wear new clothes, exchange gifts, enjoy special meals, and light fireworks. Here's the religious significance of Diwali. In Hinduism, the most popular story is the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, with people lighting lamps to guide his path home. In Jainism, it marks the attainment of nirvana by Lord Mahavira, the last Jain Tirthankara. In Sikhism, they commemorates the release of the sixth Sikh Guru, Guru Hargobind Ji, from prison. The impact of the festive celebrations, particularly during Diwali, is profound, as it encourages creativity and community engagement. This year, my family and I embraced the spirit of the festival by involving children in the decoration process, allowing them to create vibrant Rangoli designs using an array of colors. We crafted a beautiful flower Rangoli dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi, complemented by a traditional Toran Bundan bar and an elegant candlelight stand. Additionally, we incorporated handmade resin candle holders and thematic table decorations to enhance the festive ambiance. Sharing these moments on YouTube not only showcases our artistic endeavors but also inspires others to partake in similar celebratory traditions. There are much more things remain left to share with you all. In my part 2 Diwali vlog I will share it all. Hope you all enjoy our festive moods of Diwali. Hope this Diwali illuminates your life with lights and colors. May the lamps of Diwali brighten your life and rangoli add more hues to your life. Have a safe and green Diwali. Happy Diwali. Stay tuned for the next. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Namaste.